So now we have a quick video showing the underway sound velocity profiler in the Tamar estuary in the UK. It's shallow water, only about 15 or 20 meters, so we have the floats on the tail spool. What this video shows is the wireless data transfer from the probe to the computer that's possible by using the Valport RapidSV probe that is included with the system. So as soon as the probe comes to the surface, the Bluetooth system is activated and it's available to connect to the laptop once it comes in range. On this particular video we've got the laptop on the back deck here with the antenna just dangling over the side. So when the probe comes in range, the laptop on the probe will connect to each other and the data is automatically uploaded from the probe to the laptop without the user having to enter any commands or click any mouse clicks or do anything at all. It all happens entirely automatically. You can see here the probe is sending the data to the laptop, and when the process is finished you get the green signal, which means the probe has been configured ready for the next drop, so the operator can just release the probe and do another drop. So it makes it convenient for profiling continuously if that's what you want to do, or the laptop can be positioned in the lab in the ship with an antenna extension leading out to the back deck. So the probe doesn't have to be carried into the lab to download the data. The probe can always stay on the back deck and the data will find its way to the PC inside without any need for moving the probe from its winch position. So it's quite convenient. You see there where the probe is hanging just above the water, and that's adequate for the Bluetooth signal to get through to the PC antenna. It's actually quite surprising. The Bluetooth signal does pretty well, and even if the antenna portion of the probe is partially immersed in the wake behind the ship, it still gets the data off, and the system checks for the full data file transfer, so you'll never be in a position where only half the data is transferred if you lose the Bluetooth signal. So essentially what you get here is a near real-time availability of sound velocity profiles to the survey system using this very fast Bluetooth communication. So what you'll have with the system is actually a Bluetooth box and about 50 meters of cable to connect to the external antenna. So the grey box will attach to the computer inside, and the extension cable will be fed through to the antenna on the back deck. So back to the video, we can see the probe recovery with the floats attached on the tail spool. Slows the descent rate to about 1.5 meters per second. You can see it makes quite a splash when it's coming back, but the floats actually make the probe recovery a little bit easier than without the floats on. It gives the probe a nice angle in the water as it's being recovered on the surface. Well, that concludes this short video introducing you to the underway sound velocity profiler with the Valport RapidSV probe.